trade in the range that it's been in recently. I had a buy stop in above. It was like the 3150 first that prior high day, and then the next day it just gapped up, so I got filled a little bit higher. And then as it ran into 3350, which has been prior resistance, I couldn't really get above that. We have to stop, and I just took the profit in that. Next over we have Facebook, similar, again, just sort of trading the range. We saw Facebook come into support, we saw it hold support. We bought on the way up, and we saw it as it has earnings, I believe tomorrow. So this is just again a trade I'm taking into before earnings. I'm getting out of it, and as it ran into resistance, similar like Amazon, just took the trade, took the profit, and moved on. And again, into earnings, whatever happens, I don't have to worry about it. Next up, we have Google. Again, very similar trade. Again, we're buying up off support in that bull flag as it broke out to new all-time highs, and then up to stop and got stopped out just to get out of all these names before they report earnings in a few days. And then lastly was this NVR that I actually just got stopped out of a few moments ago. So again, similar theme, again, buying up off of support and then looking to sell into resistance. And we've gone over plenty of lessons of, when the stock retests that first high, it often gets met with resistance. And that's what we're kind of seeing today, a flush through new all-time highs. And we started to see some people starting to sell. So this was like an easy 10% trade. Just bought up off of support, sold into resistance, and can avoid earnings that are in 2 days. So the main theme for me has just been buying up off support, trading these ranges, and then taking the profits before earnings and moving on. That was my main lesson for the